Hi, my name is Lydia Sorbo, President of Hazen FBLA. Engaging chapter meetings are a key aspect in creating a collaborative and informed FBLA chapter. Let's see what 6 steps you can take to plan and execute a successful chapter meeting.
The first step in planning a meeting is to create an agenda with your executive board. Discuss the information and content you want to include and compile it into a clear agenda with talking points. Make sure to agree on a meeting date, time, and location. As the executive board meeting concludes, it is imperative to delegate jobs to each individual to increase efficiency. For a more informative and engaging meeting, consider creating a presentation. Some useful tools are Google Slides or Canva. It's important to get the word out about your meeting, and an easy way to do this is through flyers or social media. Post an eye-catching graphic on your chapter's Instagram. On the day of the meeting, you want to make sure your meeting space is prepped and ready. Your presentation should be queued up, and consider having music playing and a greeter outside the door. Now it's time for the meeting. Remember to stick to your agenda and have fun. Now let's review our 6 steps for success. 1. Create an agenda. 2. Delegate jobs to your executives. 3. Create a presentation. 4. Advertise your meeting. 5. Prep your meeting space. And 6. Host your meeting. Good luck!